Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a story with cat construction. It's another construction project. Wow, look, it's Rubble. It's time to get some mighty machines off the train. Let's get to work. Bring us some more mighty machines. While the mighty machines are coming, let's start digging away. I think I hear the train. Wow, some more mighty machines. Now bring us some supplies. Let's keep working. Looking great, everybody. I wonder when our supplies will get here. Oh wait, I think I hear the train. Yay! The rocks for our foundation are here. Let's dump them out. Hey, Bulldozer, we need you to come over here and make some space. Now I hope you bring us our logs soon. Let's get these rocks into the foundation. Our logs are here. Let's unload them. Okay, go bring us some more. Let's get these in place. Wow, the foundation is great. Let's keep building. Woo! More logs. Let's unload them. This project is coming along really fast. Bring us some more logs, train. Wow, I hear the train. I wonder what's coming now. Well, hi there, Mickey. Hi, Rubble. I was going to see if you finished my house yet. Oh, it's coming along nicely. Let me show you. Wow, it's looking great, Rubble. Thanks a lot for helping me out. You're welcome, Mickey Mouse. I hope you love your house when I'm done with it. Thank you guys for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.